Now, if you are affected, remember, please say so. Or you believe it. I'm asking any spirits in the asylum, in this building, on this property, to come forward and affect one of these good people. Make them feel off balance, play with their clothes, play with their hair, touch them, but don't hurt them. Be nice. So please, affect one of these good people. Make them feel a bit wobbly. Okay, who's feeling? Someone say something there? No? Is anyone feeling anything at all? You feel wobbly? Yeah. Alright, that's fine. What's your name? Sorry, please. Brittany. Sorry, Brittany. Okay. So you're feeling wobbly? Alright. I'm going to ask you a question. Would you take part in this exercise? You will not be hurt. It's nothing strange. Alright? Would you like to try? You won't get hurt. Alright, let's let go of the hands, guys. So, it's Rebecca? Yeah? Okay. I'm going to get you to stand in front. Brittany, can you stand in the middle here? Okay, facing Rebecca. And I need... Jenna? Yeah? Okay, you can come behind. Alright, so what I want you to do is I want you to come close. Now put your hands up in front and in back, just like that. Not too close, yep, not too far, but just enough. Now, Brittany, I'm going to ask the spirits to affect you. Right, I'm going to ask them to say, show me which way is yes and which way is no. So just go with it. Your legs might feel a little bit wobbly. You're not going to get hurt, trust me. Alright? So spirits that have affected Brittany during this exercise, can you show me which direction is yes? Can you make Brittany move to yes, please? Okay, so yes is forward, thank you. Can you show me which direction is no? Okay, it feels strange, doesn't it? Okay, just relax. Okay, so we can ask yes-no questions. Okay, we can ask yes-no questions. Alright, they've got the giggles.
I'm nervous.
So, you're right. Are we talking to a male? Are we talking to a female? Yes. So remember the answers. We're talking to a female. Were you a patient? No. Were you a staff member? Yes. Were you a nurse? Okay. Thank you. See how strong is that? Okay. Relax. Breathe, guys. Okay. Everyone else ask questions. Let's ask questions. Yes, no questions.
Does your name start with K?
Take it from there, guys.
Are you performing an operation today?
No. Did you look after patients? Yes. Did you look after patients in the men's ward? No. Next question. Anyone else?
Were you corrupt?
Yes. Did you look after patients in the female ward? Yes. Were you really corrupt? No. You were playing, I know. Okay. Were you a matron? Yes. Okay. Come on, guys. Let's ask some questions. I know who this is already.
Same.
Do you like us being here?
No. Okay. Do you put up with us? Tolerate us? No. Okay. Are you Nurse Kerry? Yes. Did you make the nurse cry last time she was here? Yes. But you didn't hurt her, did you? No. You played with her emotions a little, didn't you? You played with her emotions? Yes. Okay. Do you like men? Not in general. Do you like men being in the women's hospital? No. Okay. What about the doctors, the male doctors? No. Okay. Anyone else? I'm asking all the questions.
Do you not like men at all?
No. Were you hurt? Sorry, go ahead.
I was going to say, did I never hurt you?
Yes,
You
there
were
you go.
going to say so.
Exactly. Was it your husband that hurt you? Were you married? No. Were you going to be married? No. Was it a relative of yours? No. A suitor? No. Boyfriend? Yes. Okay, that's all right. You're right. Shake them off. If you wish to stop, just say. Okay, so what we've got so far is a female nurse. We know it's Nurse Kerry. Nurse Kerry was a matron who looked after the women's wards. We got her last time, so she come through very strong then. Okay. So, are you alright to continue, Brittany, or would you like to stop?
It's alright.
Okay.
It's alright. Literally wet.
They're what, sorry?
They're literally like wet.
Yes, whether, yeah. A lot of energy will create your body heat in a lot of cases. Okay. So, Nurse Kerry, can we ask you one more question? When you passed, were you older than 50? No. Were you older than 40? Yes. Were you older than 45? Yes. Were you 47? Yes. Thank you. Okay. Nurse Kerry, would you like us to leave now? We're not going to leave just yet, but we thank you for talking to us. And I'd like to end this session by saying, be well and thank you for talking to us. And we're sorry if we've offended you. So shake yourself off.
Okay.
Well done. Good job. All right? Good job. Okay. Yes. All right, so...
Bill might.